So, first time ko matry na mag-convert ng Celebi points to Fancy token using the new process. So, first is swap natin yung Celebi points. Actually, same lang naman to ng old process, itong part na to. And then, ayan, successful na siya. And then, just click confirm. So, ayan, makikita nyo yung Fancy points, 633,580. So, dito natin siya i-exchange, pero kunin muna natin yung wallet address natin sa CoinsPH account. So, just click transfer and then deposit crypto. Tapos, piliin lang natin syempre yung Fancy. And make sure na Fancy wallet address yung makukuha natin. And then, lagay lang natin siya dun sa nakalagay enter address dun sa Fancy wallet natin.